How to sign up to WeChat account. So if you want to sign up or create a WeChat account, then first you need to install the application from your Play Store or your App Store. And once you've installed, you need to open up your WeChat application. And now you can go for sign up, which is on the bottom right. And you can sign up with your mobile number or you can sign up with your Facebook. So I'll be choosing mobile number, which is on the first option. And now to create your WeChat account, first you need to enter your name and then your country or region and your mobile number. And once you enter your mobile number, you need to enter your password on the next blank, and then you need to tap on the circle so that you have read and accepted the terms and conditions of WeChat. So enter your password or create your password, and then you need to enter a photo. Tap on OK, which is on the bottom right, and then add a photo and add all of this information, and then tap on accept and continue. And again tap on the circle and then tap on next. And now you need to tap on authenticate, which is on the bottom of your screen, and simply verify. So here, to complete the registration, you have to invite another user to scan the QR code to help you complete the registration. So you need to simply find another user of WeChat so that he or she can scan the QR code and your registration will be completed. Or you can simply go for the cross, which is on the upper left. And that's it. That's how you sign up or create your account on WeChat. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.